How important is it to know how to respond to a traffic accident? Imagine being the first one on the scene, the first chance a victim has at survival. Knowing how to respond could mean the difference between life and death. Step 1. Ensure personal safety. The golden rule, when approaching a traffic accident, is to first ensure personal safety. Park your vehicle in a safe location. Don your reflective vest. Set up a safety triangle 50 to 100 meters from the accident site, and be mindful of ongoing traffic. If necessary, turn off the engine of the damaged vehicle. Remember, if you're not safe, you can't assist others. Step 2. Assess the situation. Before you take action, quickly assess how many individuals are injured, if anyone is unconscious, and if there are any immediate dangers, such as fire, smoke, fuel leaks, or live electrical wires. Is the accident site sufficiently secure? Observe first, then act. Step 3. Call for help. Dial 112 and provide the operator with a clear account of what has happened, the exact location, the number of injured individuals, the nature of the injuries, and your identity. Do not hang up first. Let the operator guide you through the call. Step 4. Approach the injured. Establish contact, checking for consciousness and breathing. Speak to them, give a gentle shake of the shoulders. If they're not breathing, begin cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR. If they are breathing but unconscious, place them in the recovery position. Do not move the injured unless there is an immediate threat, such as a fire or explosion. Step 5. Emergency measures. Stop any bleeding by applying pressure to the wound. Calm the injured person and cover them to prevent hypothermia. Stay with them until the paramedics arrive. Common mistakes to avoid include entering a hazardous area without protection, unnecessary moving of the injured person, panicking, and providing incomplete information when calling 112. Now, to summarize the key steps in responding to a traffic accident: ensure personal safety, assess the situation, call for help, approach the injured, and perform emergency measures. Remember, your actions at the scene of a traffic accident can save lives. It's crucial to stay calm, act quickly, and follow these steps.